Today what we're gonna do is undo a lot of the wiring that we did, but still it's not gonna be as hard because I don't have to get up in the starter and everything is kind of already wired. We brought in our hotbox today. I'm super excited to show you guys how to wire up a hotbox. All right, now we're gonna hook up the box. I'm so used to having them on. Okay, order now. Red wire, which is our positive. All right, frickin' got this fuel pump on the firewall. Found a nice spot, nice rusty spot. Getting everything squared away. So we're gonna just tie this up to this fuel line for now, just to keep it out of the header so it doesn't get hot. Get some spray in your hand. Well, look at that hot box. Well, we didn't have the distributor hooked up at the distributor, so that doesn't help. Now dip on fuel pump. Let's see if we can get it cranked. Let's just see if we can spray and get it cranked. All right, we've been out here for a couple hours. It's late and we have got new spark plugs in this thing, new spark plug wires, and trying to get it started, and it looks like we're having another fueling issue just like last time. But this time, instead of being the afternoon where we can just go run and get a new fuel filter, can't do that this time. So we're calling it. This is our problem, I think, unless we burnt out this pump already, which seems unlikely. So it's just a bad pump. But check out our handiwork. Look at these fresh. I mean, it looks really good, dude. So once we get our fueling issue, I mean, this thing was running like a top the last time, and I think we'll get it going again. Anyways, thanks for watching, and get back to you. That's going to be your starter. One is your distributor, one switch is your distributor, and the other switch is your fuel pump. Can you press the gas? Okay, I say turn it off, right? Okay, go ahead and fuel pump. Turn it off. Put on there for a second. Okay, I can see our flow right here on our fuel pump. We got a new fuel pump installed, new lines. Definitely the fuel pump was done. It wasn't the filter, but this time I adjusted accordingly, and now I have a clear filter so we can see the flow. I'm gonna let her start it. While I get her going. Okay, go ahead, flip both switches on the right. Okay, go ahead and hit the button. There you go. Turn off the fuel pump. Wait, no. Let it run. Nice job, Buns. Woo! All right, let's load this thing up for Halloween.